So here she is in all of her old and dirty glory. Giant Prodigy upside down because I have no work stand, which makes absolutely no sense. The tires were falling off of it. It was a piece of junk found in the dumpster. So I'm just going to do this as quickly and as cheaply as possible because, you know what? I need a commuter bike, and this looks like a half decent example of one. I'm going to tear it down and see what we got. Alright, so here's what I've got. Frame, obviously front fork is just disgusting, so it's going to get cleaned up and painted as well. Old chain, old pedals, those are staying off. I've got a new chain already. It's just spare that I've had in the garage for a while. Most of the stuff is going to go back on. That seat definitely won't. The bars and the stem will likely get changed, but maybe not right now. So for now, I'm going to go clean up this frame, degrease some parts, and grab some paint to make it look pretty. So hopefully I gave some insight and you like this video. If you happen upon a bike just chilling in the dumpster, then grab it. You might be able to make something of it. If you liked it, please hit the like. Subscribe if you feel like this is something that's kind of like up your alley, because that's pretty much what I do. Send it to your friends if you think they might be interested. I'm not one of those that's like you just absolutely have to show everybody in your arsenal what I've been doing. Send me suggestions for videos that you might think would be up my alley, because I've kind of got my hand in a lot of different bowls. Either way, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Oh shit, man.